there is a trending gist in Imega now. Two sisters now Enugu, ofu onye civil defense, ofu onye custom. Her plan ya together kidnap all their elder brother.
Yeah.
Bilie ya 30 million. Now he with amen o. Now he bilie ya 30 million ahụ. Ndị amen ewere nke ha. Na he pụtaziri ha bụ 10 million. Ewujeziri ha ebe ha nọ na hotel. They split together the money. Now when the issue now happened, our other case ebidozie achọpụtawazie that na all the whole ntụrụ mmadụ, all the whole kidnapping a na-eme na that area. Na that about they are the masterminder of it all. Now I'm not just see Keziye Alibo na turn it. Keziye Alibo in a turn it. So it still brings me down to that now. Some of my genders, some of anyone woman why Obiain on Azo. That is why Eku di na why a team I like Ibia or everyone. I like being in the middle because why? So many women here, some men are there. Okay, some women here, some okay, and where they live to do it. Now, these are two sisters working for the government, not just state government, federal government, a civil defense officer, and a custom officer. So let's even digress now. These people now, they are earning salary. But they went ahead. They said they've been kidnapping people in that locality. But in came up and came down Kunama with their own blood. They kidnapped their own brother with amen. Now for 30 million. It is here the money coming from my gender. So who may at times, let us know how we are emotional. Let our emotions stop going overboard. Because some okay when obi. Obi ananas. Do you understand? So this is what is happening. So him that is now. He to kidnap their own brother. Yeah, I've been sitting down to reason it since the morning.
Na biko ka ngwa gị ihe icheke ya ru ma ị ga a flashback ihe mma kwuru today. Ọ sị ihe ọbụla ị ga-eme iji pụọ obodo oyibo ọrụ na ị ga na bank. Agị ga na bank ga-azụ oshi. So in essence na ihe ọ na-akọwa bụ na ọkwa ofu ihe ahụ. O nwere ike nwanne ya nwoke aha distinguish. Ihe mma kọwara anyị, ihe mmụtara n'aka mma n'abalị awụ. Ọ bụrụ na ego adị, ịda na ịkpọrọ nwanne gị nwere ego gaa were ya nara ego jiri mee travel abroad. Mma ọghasị. Thank you.
So you may not kidnap one year.
Anyway, advice I get for onye ọwụna na-ekrave ije nọ n'obodo mmadụ ịnọ n'obodo oyibo. Nnewi aka na-agụsi n'ike isi ya ije dọ n'ebe ahụ ị na-aghọta. So the only thing nọ na akpa afọ eju a na juziri n'ala Igbo anyị lack of contentment. Onye ụmụaka na-aba nwere ike ọ na ha na-ejekwa elder brother because elder brother ejidere ha ma na onwere almost 30 million ha. Then ha onya ka ha ji wee plan no wee jiri. Maybe na ha yo nwanne ha nwoke ego nye ha 50, 100, 200. Ima some people na do one kind stupid entitled. Na this life I don't understand. Then now onwe a na-agbazi ekene na brother na-eyi otu a na-akpọ brother afọ ebe a unamo na most of the team ha na-eje eme like in the club ahụ ha na-apụta ebe a mechi ife a na kpuru wole ego ne ha ya enye nwata nwoke nye ha nwee ike ịpụta sekịta onye ọ na-eburucha playa 1 million mana ife ha kwadoro inye ego uwu 100,000 imecha ha na erita onye kpata na aha abụ ego aha abụọ mana ọnụ nwa abịazie fie sọm ụmụnne afịa asị anyị na nwanne ya belong na agha ihe ọya ego onyezie 50 were iwe o ji nye 50 mana ọ nọ n'ezi eme ihe a ya lack of contentment na ha wee tụkwa agwa ka ha buo mana so many people amụghọ na onwere ife anyị Igbo na-akpọ ibe nne ife ọsọrọ gị na-eme
ọbara nwanne.
yes side anyị na-akpọ ibe nne be careful maka ibe nne mee gị ibe nne kachia gị ọ because unu na-abụ nwere ọbala unu nwere ọbala enwere ife nwata ya eri aka ife ha mere a na-akpọ alụ ibe nne and they cannot keep quiet onye kpata ha na-emebi before ole mana alụghị ana na nke nwanne ha nwoke ome expose alụ ibe nne ka ọwụ you understand sometimes onye ọwụna ka a na-eme ife n'Afrịka m na-agwa people sepụ na aka enwe n'ofe tupu ọha aka mmadụ ife na-enye the girls them so lack of contentment and the title enidiri ime ha interview wee jụọ ha kelee ihe kpatara o ji wụrụ nwanne ha nwoke ka ha kwadoziri wee bịa buo na nka ihe afọ ofe ha ya ekwu na ọha ekwe enye ha ego na nna
Why Nnewi, as a matter of fact, civil defense ends very well. The civil defense they end, they carry on the police. Now the other one,
energy goddess, enwere custom officer na be m o lele une na Abuja wee narị ya obodo oyibo ncha na-eji ndụ ụgwọ na Naịjirịa ọkwa nwere
a na-eji ndị federal ụgwọ anyị wa bụ ndị steeti ka a na-eji ụgwọ a na-eji ndị federal ụgwọ they don't owe federal
mana ndị nke nọ m nso oge ụfọdụ ịjụọ ya ọsịwụ na akwụbụrụ ha samọ maka steeti and gọọmenti amụọ m nke steeti and gọọmenti
ndị federal workers a na-eji ụgwọ ask anybody. I was in the system for 40 years before Bia UK. At the age in the federal civil servant Ogo. They say, and two, no, to think that Nanda boom wine mothers. Now we have to really learn how to only imagine that location. They are the ones behind it. Now, is their brother now is here voluntarily and they may have suspects, they will sweep it under the carpet. My own is that Hannah Rono. What are they now looking for? It boils down to contentment, which I said, you are a woman, you are not contented with what you have. Not just a woman, you are a man, indeed contented with him wearing. You are bound to be desperate, and a desperate person can do anything. A desperate person can buy to get that thing up.
You see, the Buddha nowadays, in wine they with contentment, which you also, acknowledged. Or we are one of the problems I and everybody in the message, I want to belong. I want to be like a display, a show of wealth. That is the only thing the mother makes some certain things and they don't care. And that's why so many people everybody is the quest for money, the quest for material things, the quest for to belong, to be among in this as no how I should is a problem over there. And let me tell you, the thing has eaten into the fabric of our people, and only God can help you. To be honest with you, okay, how can somebody say, must everybody go to Bodoibo in the real sense? Must everybody go to Bodoibo? No. People think that no Bodoibo cannot. Come and see what I can't know about. You're midnight here. I can't know about. Now, Bodoibo is easy. I came here, left my profession there. That's the truth. I tell them the whole truth and nothing but the truth. That's the truth. I'm here. The people who want she be done so 1, 2, 3 before my video. Maybe I'm what they with. So I am not even. I don't know about the market. I am not able. Already don't know about the before. I don't know about the work as an animal because I know that I changed my sleep. But guess another thing on ime. Nwaanyị nọ n'ụdị. Mgbe nwa this place, mana now everybody na-akpatazi ego, onye akpawa ego, ụmụ akpawa ego, onye ọbụla. So ụmụ nwaanyị nọ na this sort kind of ọrụ. Na federal government, I worked in the federal ministry for Apatawa. At the end of the day, a na-ada eji ha ụgwọ. And they have a lot of again, a lot of benefits a na-enye ha.
Exactly. Me, I work as a state civil servant.
Yes.
Oh, I'm a Kaneji. Oh, I'm a 1 year and 6 months. That was when I started doing other business. A year and 6 months. I started doing buying and selling because I cannot be working. A state government can decide to owe you, but in the federal, I didn't do.
Adaeji ndị ha a na-enweta a lot of benefits n'ime na ha. So greediness socha n'ime, lack of contentment socha n'ime. And let me tell you, ndị a mewuli ihe before emewuli ihe nyewe iko ha ejula. Ụmụ ihe na-aza na iko mmadụ ji. Mgbe ọ wụrụ iko mmadụ juru, onye kpata ha ji gazie na nwanne ha nwoke. You know, they don't have conscience. Even greedy people and ndị na-enwe ndị contentment, ha na-eso already their conscience that to the extent that they do something they don't have conscience. They don't even give a damn. Now, for whatever reason, is that a ground for them to do such kind of thing to Wofuna? No, it is not. But because of that, their greediness, their ways to in one of those people, they have been doing this thing before. Or that not because of I don't know, that spirit Bagahanime, which will definitely not every day is for the truth, but one day for the owner of the house. Even if that spirit Bagahanime, how plan all this kind of thing, and succeed. They think that they will succeed in everything. Is it that all the house of this like one now? And let me tell you, this thing is also telling us to be more careful.
Yes.
Because their brother may have told them something about the money how you yes, the money the money how kidnapped for to collect the money for him.
They collected 30 million. They collected 30 million.
Yes, the men have known his worth and everything about him. Because when you're that's why when you look at these things in the money, there, somebody margin not there. Somebody margin not there. Exactly. Now you need the whole information about you. Something happened to me when I was in 3rd year. The person money had to say, he was shot dead. In fact, that year it was in December, that he was shot dead on 19th December. That was what happened to me when I was in 3rd year. Yes.
Wow.
That was what happened to me. But he was shot dead 19th by his cousin. A guy who was doing successful. The motor was that very day, he didn't enter into that car. And that guy carried both 1 year because she medical because Mpaha was also doing shifting to that year, everything. So why did I say this thing? The guy was trying to get in on Akiane Rugi. This was 2023. Yes. I don't want to remember him. And all that guy, the guy now left. Because he came with people. But how about the because now one name work the money. But like he brought his brother from airport. Now it's a long story here. So the brother they came and shot him. They waited for him to die there. So and I just like that. So because of quest, because of winning, and he was living in his house or na Lagos Kangwa. When you binu there, when you one room na flat here. You can imagine when you one room na flat here. Mana this guy because all matter everything about him. So we need to be more careful about Umunai, about our relations. Because this thing is an eye opener for all of us, to honestly speak, so that we can also be more careful. The kind of people that we deal with. You have to be more careful because the days are evil.
Very
Because
evil.
the days are evil, and that is one thing that really brought them up. Because all they will still go free, they will still go scot-free, now about the truth.
But Akulovia Kumwai Bemo, as in, how did they sleep at night? Like,
Kennedy Janacho, are you hearing?
That's the
Then
truth.
your Umunne can kidnap you.
Brother Ken.
It's not for us that don't have money. I want to bring on the to Kennedy. Na King Chris, now producer, they are Diego. We can't care for Makumo.
My brother, what's the matter of ndị ji ego? Akwa ifuru onye na-ejide n'oge ike pịa gị many things.
No, onye ji ego ka ụmụnne ya. O nwere ike ọ bụ na ole ana as dị ọkpara nne ya na si na ndị nke nwaanyị na ha nụgo di na ha ga-ekenye ya. O nwere ebe dị ego si wee bata. So the girls wee mee ya ha dị. But ihe m believe kwa ihe onye metere ya bulu. You understand? You cannot do wrong.
I don't think that would probably
with the
be the
news
case.
we had, ask all these the elder brothers know how. These the elder brothers.
It's always like that.
All greediness.